We're here at the Automate trade show, and I've got Justin from AMCI, and he's going to show us around the booth. Go ahead.
So today we're showing off some of our integrated motion control solutions, such as our DC steppers. Over here we're showing off an SMD23E2 with safe torque off attached to an IDEC PLC, showing off the Ethernet IP communications and the tight integration that we get. Over here we're showing off more of our integrated steppers and servos. Now these are all DC 24 to 48 volt solutions with the driving controllers built into the housing, so you get a complete axis of motion all in one package. Moving along, we have our DC and AC stepper drives and controllers, which also feature the dual port networking that you can enjoy. In addition to that, we're also showing off a new module today at part of Allen Bradley's new 5034 platform. This is a pulse train output module which features incremental or absolute feedback. Over here, we're showing off our integrated resolvers and stepper motors. We're showing off the Ethernet IP communication and the built-in network switch, which allows us to communicate from one motor to the other or an encoder without the need of a network switch on the actual hub here. Moving even further along, we have some of our Ethernet IP encoders, stainless steel encoders, resolvers, and decoding modules for both Allen Bradley PLCs as well as Ethernet standalone solutions.
And you have water bottles.
We do have water bottles.
Thanks, Justin. I really appreciate it.
Not a problem.